All right, team, the new Brawl Pass just dropped, and you won't believe the skins they added this season.
Welcome to Star Park. Perfect rides, perfect paths, everything exactly how it should be. And Fran, super reliable, keeps everything nice and stable.
Nothing strange here. No weird influences, no... Player.
That term is irrelevant. There is no simulation. All outcomes are fixed.
I am the star, I am the moon. Anyway. Fun place. Nothing weird at all, promise.
Turn him to a brawler.
This is normal. This is normal. Smile.